Alright, guys. Today is another day. Today is Monday, by the way. I'm in this trade now. So the market is normally in a downtrend, creating break of structures to the downside. I had my change of character. At my change of character, waited for this inducement to be taken out. Then I was targeting this zone. I could have entered the trade here, but I was still waiting for some sort of confirmations before I entered, and I'm targeting just this high right here because it's like a counter trade, so I'm not actually targeting much, and I'm in this trade right now. I'm in this trade right now and running in some profits. So let's see how it goes. I'll surely be breaking in. I'll surely be removing my stop loss from here to break even very soon. So let's see how it goes. Alright, an update on the trade. We are looking real good right now. We are looking pretty good. Like, this is a trade currently running, and I'm in about 26 in profit right now. I think I'll be closing right now. Based on what I'm seeing here, I think I'll be closing because we might have like the market start rejecting maybe to before start going up. So I'll be closing right here, right now. Bulk operation, close all positions, and I'm out. Putting my account balance at $212 right now. So if I see any other opportunity on this place I usually trade, and I'd be taking, but I've scanned the chart and I'm not seeing any opportunity right now. So if I don't see any opportunity, I'll probably just go again tomorrow, because today is actually Monday and I don't want to be holding this trade for long. So I'm out just here before the market started retreat, making this small retracement. So we go again tomorrow. What's good, YouTube? So today is another day. By the way, today is Tuesday, and I'm up and looking the market. I'm looking to take a buy on Euro USD. This on Euro USD. I'm looking to take a buy from this zone, but it seems as if the market is leaving me. But I've not entered yet because the London session is not open yet. As you can see, the London session is still left about with about 30 minutes to open. So, but I've seen this way I could have been looking to enter this market for a buy, because the market have taken liquidity. We are having break of structure, then liquidity have been taken out. Market tap into my fair value gap, and it's actually dishing out that buy. But because the London session is not yet open, I will be waiting for the market maybe to flash a little bit down. Then I'll be entering for longs. I'll be targeting these highs. Then I'll be entering for longs. So if I see my entry confirmations, I'll be jumping on this trade. But for now, I still have to wait for the London session to open. Also on GBP USD, I have like the same analysis. Also like the same thing: break of structure, liquidity sweep, then order block. So I'm looking to also take a buy, but since Euro USD and GBP USD are almost the same, I'll be entering just on one, and I think I'll be taking just on Euro USD. Right, so this is an update on the trade I called out like some few minutes ago. This is the update. I entered right here. The market created this inverse fair value gap. I was just waiting for the market to tap into the fair value gap, then give me the push. So right now, I'm in this trade. And the trade is doing pretty well. Church is doing well for now. I'm in profit of about $10. Trade is going well. So I'm going to update you on how the trade is going. I will come to give an update. So let's see how it goes. I'm looking to cash this market right up to this point. So let's see how it goes. Right, this is an update on the Euro USD trade. Right now, we are still looking good. My stop loss is now here. I've moved my stop loss from this low. It's now right here. Then I've added some few positions here. Currently, we are still looking good. My stop loss, I've reduced my stop loss. Then the new positions I've added here, the stop loss is way below here. We are still looking good. So let's see how it goes. Right, an update on our trade. It's going on really good. I think I'll be going out right here. I'll be taking my profit right here. So let's just go ahead and take our profit. Bulk operations, close all positions, and I'm out. Guys, welcome to another day. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, and I'm currently looking at Euro USD. I'm currently looking at Euro USD, and I'm expecting a sell today. Today I'll be expecting a sell. The market mitigated this decisional order block. That's on the higher time frame. Then I went down to the lower time frame. I've had my lower time frame change of character. After sweeping this high, I've had my change of character. So I'm waiting for the market to either react from this fair value gap, or it should react from this order block. Then I'll be selling. The same thing on GBP USD. But since GBP USD and Euro USD, they are directly correlated, I'll be looking to capitalize on Euro USD. Only if I see my confirmations as the market is reaching this fair value gap. Also on GBP JPY, I might be looking for a buy. So if I see any confirmation, I'll just update. The market have failed to break this low, sweeping this liquidity on this low. So there are possibilities that the market can have a break to the upside, maybe come back to a certain fair value gap. Then I'll be looking for buys. So till then, I'll just stay neutral and wait for the market reaction. Right, just an update on our trade. I'm in right now, just here. I'm in currently. I'll still be adding more positions. As I see more confirmations, I'll still be adding more positions. But for the moment, I'm in. This is an update on the Euro USD trade we took, and we have taken a loss on this one. I think I started selling from here. I stacked some positions. Apparently, the market had a rejection here, but just had this flash to the upside, taking our stop loss. But I've not lost much on this one, just around $15.30. So if I see any other position, I'll be entering. If not, I think I'll just come again tomorrow. Guys, this Euro USD, after the market had this flash to the upside, took me out. My stop loss was just above here. Then market started selling aggressively. So I've made again some entries here. So I'm expecting the market to still sell, but if in case it takes me out, then I think I'll be done for the day. I've still made some entries. But if the market takes me out, then I think I'll be done for the day. An update on still Euro USD. As I re-entered again from here, this is where I re-entered. The market had a clear push again to the upside, then this massive drop. So when the market took me out around this place, then dropped massively, I just concluded that this was just a manipulation. So I re-entered again, and the market just had this massive drop to the upside. And I'm still in the trade. Currently now, I'm still in the trade, and I'm still running really in some profit. I'm still currently now in the trade, so let's see how it goes. I'm still holding. Though the trade is still at the risks, maybe I might break even soon and and I still be holding for a little bit longer. Alright guys, a quick update on the trade I updated just some few minutes ago. I'm out right at this line. I'm out now. I think I'm good for the day. The market have swept this low, this particular low, so there might be a retracement to the upside, maybe with another push, but I'm out. I'm good for the day. Overall, we are still positive for the day. So we are still positive for the day. The account now is at 270. So I don't see any other opportunity. I think I'll just come back tomorrow. What's up, gang? Welcome to another day. Today is Friday, by the way, and I've, I think I'm done trading for today. I've taken a trade and have ended in a loss though. I took some trades yesterday, so I'll just quickly show you what I was looking at. Then today I took this sell on UJ, that's on USDJPY, right from this point, and immediately the market just took me out immediately, like just within some few minutes. Cause after this was a trade I took yesterday Thursday. This was a trade I took yesterday Thursday. After this area failed, because I had my break of structure, had my liquidity sweeping these lows, and I was targeting now this other block. Immediately the market mitigated this other block. I took my buy. I had my confirmation, so then I took my buy. I entered multiple positions. The market took me out. So after this massive sell to the downside, creating break of structure to the downside, this was the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. Other block, then fair value gap. So when the market came back here to indicate this other block and also this fair value gap, I went to the lower time frame and had my confirmation when I entered. So I entered immediately. The market just bought. So the risk was well managed. I took my loss and I leave the market. Yesterday I also took a trade on US oil, which is it ended up in a break even. That was a break even, so I didn't take any loss on US oil. I was buying, but I didn't take any loss on US oil. But on USD JPY, I took a loss yesterday, Thursday, and today, Friday, I took another loss. But the important thing is overall, I'm still positive for the week. Overall, I'm still up about $35. I'm still up about $35. So now this is now the interesting part about risk to reward and knowing how to manage your risk. Overall, this week I've taken 7 trades, 3 wins, 3 losses, and 1 break even. So overall, I'm still positive for the week. So we go again next week and see how it goes. The account balance is now at $222. From 270, I was already up about 270. Then I took some few losses before the end of the week, so I'm down now back to 220. So I'll go again next week, but I'm still positive for the week, so no complain. Guys, guess what? After I took the loss on USDJPY, I decided that since it's Friday, let me just wrap up the week and call it a week and come back again tomorrow. Just for me, for the New York session to open, and a sweet setup presented itself on Euro USD. And guess what? I took the trade and straight to stop loss. It's crazy, like straight to stop loss. But anyway, the thing is, risk was managed, everything was managed well. I'm still a little bit positive for the week, so I will come again next week. So I'm trying to be transparent as far as I can be. No matter what happens to the account, I will be documenting everything here. So this nice trade on Euro USD presented itself just at the opening of New York session. At the opening of New York session, look at this push to the upside. Had this inverse fair value gap. Just for me to take the trade here. Then I took my loss. Then I took my buy. 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 I and this is a 15-minute time frame just for me to take the trade, and just within 30 minutes, and I'm out of the trade. Anyways, we go again next week. So this trade I was risking on this Euro USD, I was risking $20. On the USD JPY, I was risking $25. So overall, I'm still positive for the week though. Just that I'm up now, just $15, just $15. So this week was not actually that great. Though from the start it was looking good, but yesterday and today just messed everything up. It wasn't actually the best, but I come back again next week and follow the plan, follow the rules, follow the plan, and I stick to everything. And I promise I'll be sharing everything here. I'm not hiding anything. This is the account balance back to 200 dollars. What's up, guys? Welcome to another week and another day of us trading $100 to 1,000. So today is another week. By the way, today is already Tuesday. Yesterday I didn't have any trade. That's why and today is already Tuesday. So let me just show you what I'm having on the market right now. This is already Tuesday evening, so I took some few trades. I'm in this USD JPY buy right now. I took the buy from here. It's been several hours. The market is just still around my entry. So I think I'll be swinging this trade. I think I'll be holding this trade for, I don't know, maybe for like some few days. It depends on how the market will be going. I think I'll be holding this trade for some few days. So this is what I was looking at before I took the buy. Apparently I wanted to even buy the market from somewhere around this region, but eventually yesterday Monday the market just had this long push to the downside. There was no fundamentals, but because of some I don't know, but it was also a forex factory. It had this push to the downside. As we had the push to the downside, break of structure, then eventually had like an internal change of character, a lower time frame change of character, break of structure. Like, so I read the structure inside here. This is another break of structure. Then I entered on this fair value gap. This fair value gap after the market mitigated this other block. So I'm expecting the market from here to push higher. And as well, I'm in this trade. I'm currently now in the trade, and I'm running about, just the market is still around my entry though. So when my balance fall below $200, I took another GU trade today, and I lost about $12.50. So on the GU trade, this was what I was looking at. My stop loss was initially here. Before I eventually, like, when I had this push to the downside, I started my stop loss from here to this line. The market came back, took me out, and I'm still expecting a drop. Though I might not be entering from here again, but I'm still on the USD JPY trade. So let's just see how it goes. So yesterday Monday as well, the market had this push to the upside, this long push, break of structure, at an internal change of character. So before the opening of London session, had the market sweeping this liquidity here. I waited for the market to form this inverse fair value gap, and I started entering my positions here before the market went up to this inverse fair value gap. So I just finished entering my positions here. I had this massive push to the downside. This is a 30-minute time frame. I had this push to the downside. Then I reduced my stop loss from here to somewhere around to this line. That's 1.34200. The market came back to take me out. Then it's still dancing around my entry, but I'm out already. and I didn't lose much, just like $12, just like $12. So I'll just keep on holding this UJ trade till tomorrow. Then by tomorrow, I look what the market is going to give me again. Then we continue from there. Guys, this market got to be kidding me. Like this market should just be kidding me right now. I mean, I was already running like a 1:1.5 or something like that. If I'm to take my ruler, this uh this 27 pips, then I was already running over, let's say this 28 pips, I was already running over 50 pips. This is crazy. I was already running almost like a 1:1.5. I just wanted to see how the market reacts here to give me another push before I can break even, before I could break even. But eventually, just within some, like I was still thinking about breaking even. Market just had this sharp retracement to the downside, like I just took my stop loss. This is just crazy. This is really crazy. And guess what? I'm out. So today I ended with a loss of $26.40. Today I ended with a loss of $26. And this trade was to cover my losses. This particular trade was to cover my losses and also give me some small profits. But anyways, the most important thing is I followed my plan, I followed my rules, I stick to my risk appetite, and I guess we go again tomorrow. If I see another sector, but I'm fine. I don't see. So the account now is back to 176, $176. So that's what I'm dealing with right now. So we come back tomorrow and see what the market is going to give us. This week have not been great so far. Like this week have not been really great. I just got taken out from this trade, this GBP USD. I just got taken out some few minutes after taking the trade. So I was expecting a buy from this zone, considering the market structure that we have been having here. Though we had like an order block here that market is pulling down back from, but I expected the market to have like a push to the upside, maybe before can have another push to the downside. So I waited the market to sweep these lows. At the opening of the London session, I have this candlestick sweeping these lows. So I was expecting the market to at least take out these highs right up to this other block before we can have another push to the upside. But just after 2 hours or like 3 hours I took the trade, market just had this stiff push to the downside. So I mean, I followed my plan, followed my rules, but I still got knocked out 24, and we are back to $150, 150. So follow the rules, follow the plan, take the trade, manage our risks, and the market will do whatever it can do. We can't control that. So apart from that, I don't think I'm all right. I'm expecting a sell on GG as well, but I'm still waiting for the market to sweep these highs. Because what I'm seeing here, there's already a lot of liquidity accumulating on these highs. So if I can have like a push to the upside to sweep these highs, then I will look on how the market is going to react from these highs, and I'll be looking to take a sell. But if it doesn't happen, then I'm not taking a sell. I wait for proper confirmations, I take the trade, manage the risks, and that will be all. So if I don't have confirmations on this trade, today is Thursday, this might be the last trade for the week. So overall, I've taken 3 trades for this week and I've lost all of them. I've taken 3 trades and I've lost all of them. I first took a buy on this UJ. The market I took a buy here, the market took me out, then went to my favor. Also, GBP, USD, I was first of all buying, I think around somewhere here, just for the market to hit me out, then market is actually going down. So that's just all for now. Next week we'll come again, and what's good, my people? This is another day, another week. I know we have another week, another day, another dollar. So when my account was like my last clip, my account was down to $150. So I saw this nice opportunity. This was on Thursday evening, on GBP I saw this nice opportunity and I took it. So I held the trade for 3 days. That was Thursday, Friday, and I held over the weekend. On Monday, boom, straight to TP. I held the trade for 3 days and restricted my account back to like a good amount of money. So this was exactly what I saw. No, GJ usually moves in such a pattern that when you see this type of movement, this type of movement to the upside, just know that the market is going to correct itself most of the times very aggressively. So I was just waiting. So I went down to the 1 hour time frame. And you can see this equal highs here. There's liquidity that is lying above these highs. I just waited the market to sweep this liquidity, close inside the liquidity range, and I took the trade immediately. I didn't waste time again. I took the trade. The trade gave me a 1:5, which was really a very good trade. Then today is already Tuesday, by the way. Today is already Tuesday. I was waiting for this. I was waiting to take a sell on USD JPY. I want to be positioning for a buy, but I was waiting to take a sell from around this place. The market refused to retrace to my point of interest, so I finally did not actually take the trade. This is when I wanted to. Alright, this is when I shared the trade. I was waiting for the trade for the market to come back to this fair value gap, and I could have been taking a sell, a very beautiful one, but didn't actually play out. So I didn't finally take the trade. On Euro USD also, I was expecting a buy. This buy actually happened. This is Euro USD. This is Euro USD. So I was waiting to take this trade on Euro USD, like a 1:2, a 1:2, a 1:2.5. But when the market reached here, when the market was here, I went down to the lower time frame, which was a 15-minute time frame. I was waiting for some sort of confirmations here, but the market just left me, so I didn't finally enter this trade. The market swept this liquidity after this break of structure. So after this lower time frame change of character. So I was waiting for this liquidity to be taken. When it took out the liquidity, I was waiting for some confirmations which I didn't see. So the market left me. But it's better to avoid when you don't. It's better to miss a trade than to take a loss. So I just accepted and left. Then on gold, I've not been trading gold for some time because the account is actually low. I was waiting for the account to bounce back to reach a certain amount before I can start trading gold. I saw this nice opportunity and I jumped in. This nice opportunity on gold and I jumped in. Lower time frame break of structure. So the lower time frame change of character. The market swept this liquidity. Then I didn't waste time again. I entered straight to TP. A 1:2 risk to reward, and these are the trades. This is the GJ and this is the gold, and it did actually put me in a very good amount of profit. So currently now the account is sitting at 373. So we're actually making some progress. So my next trade that I'm looking to take a buy on this on USD JPY. On USD JPY, I'm looking to take a buy. Actually, I'm keeping everything like simple. I don't want to be complicating things. Break of structure, liquidity, then we have our other block here. If we go down a lower time frame, you'll see our other block here. So this is going to be a swing trade. If I take it, you can run. It's going to be a swing trade. So I'm just waiting for confirmations here. Then I'll be taking it back. If I don't see the confirmations, I'm not taking. That's just it. I wait for the opportunity. I analyze the market. Wait for the opportunity. When it comes, confirmations, I take it and I ride it.